Building your business website on Hostinger ensures that you get web hosting, a custom domain, and an easy-to-use website builder, all in one platform. In this video, we'll go through how to build your small business website on Hostinger in 9 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a subscription plan and sign up for an account. Before you can start building your website on Hostinger, you'll first need to set up your web hosting and domain. And the great thing about Hostinger is that all of their plans automatically come with all of these. On the Hostinger website, click on Website Builder on the homepage, then scroll down to the Website Builder and Web Hosting section and click Add to Cart. In the next screen, you'll be able to choose a subscription plan for your website. Once you've chosen a plan, scroll further down the screen to create your account, then select your payment method and add in your billing details. After filling in your details, click on the Submit Secure Payment button to finalize your account setup. Step 2. Claim your website's domain. Once you set up your account, you'll then enter Hostinger's main dashboard, which is where you'll manage all the essential parts of your site. But first, you'll need to set up your site's domain. On the dashboard, click on the Claim Domain button, then in the pop-up box, type in the domain name you want to use for your website. Then check if it's available by clicking on Check Availability. If your chosen domain name is available, go ahead and click on Claim Domain to officially use it for your website. Step 3. Answer prompts about your website. After choosing your site's domain, the next step is to answer a few prompts about your website. These prompts will help Hostinger determine the tools you need to build your website. On your dashboard, navigate to the Hosting tab on the upper menu, then add a new website. In the following prompt, choose to create a new website, then click Select Hostinger Builder in the next screen. If you already have a domain, you'll go on ahead to choose a type of Hostinger website builder. Alternatively, if you need more time, you can also work with a temporary one for the meantime, then update it later on. Step 4. Choose a Hostinger website builder. After answering Hostinger's prompts, you'll then need to choose a type of website builder to use. Hostinger has two website builders, an AI-powered builder that automatically creates a website based on your prompts, and a regular editor using a template. Whichever editor you choose, you'll be able to create professionally designed and fully functional website for your business. We'll go through the steps for both options, starting with using the AI site builder. Step 5. Set up your website. If you choose to build your website using the Hostinger AI Site Builder, you'll only need to answer a few prompts about your website. In the pop-up box, fill in the form with your brand name, the type of website you're building, then type in a description of your website. Then, once you're done, click Create a Website. Hostinger will automatically build a website for you following your prompts, which you'll be able to customize further inside this drag-and-drop editor. We'll get back to that in a moment. If you chose to build your website using a template, after choosing the pre-made template option, you'll enter Hostinger's Templates menu. Choose and click on the template you prefer, then click on Preview to preview how it looks, then click on Start Building to start customizing it in the editor. Whether you build your site using AI or using a template, you'll be able to customize it further inside this editor before publishing it live. But before anything else, we recommend that you first set up your online store. Step 6. Set up your online store. To start setting up your online store, click on the shopping cart icon, then click Manage Products in the next menu. In the next screen, answer the prompts to set up your store's name, location, and currency, then click Continue to enter your site's e-commerce center. This e-commerce center is where you'll manage all the elements of your online store, from your product inventory to your discounts and more. To add products to your store, click on the Add Products tab on your dashboard, then choose the kind of product you want to add, whether physical, digital, and so on. Then, in the next screen, fill in the form with your product details, including its name, image, description, price, and more. Once you're done, click Save. Your product will automatically appear under the Products tab. To delete a product, click on a product you want to delete, then click Delete. After adding products to your inventory, you'll also need to set up your store's payment options. Navigate back to your dashboard on the left-hand menu, then click on the Add Online Payment tab. In the next screen, you can connect with PayPal or Stripe or enable manual payments, such as cash on delivery and bank transfers. Next, you can also add product categories to your store to keep it organized and overall give customers a better experience on your website. On the left-hand menu, navigate to the Categories tab, then click on the Add Category button. In the next screen, type in your category's name, then click on the Assign Products button to choose the products that go into that category. Then click Save. Inside the e-commerce center, you can also set up appointment booking features. This allows visitors to book appointments with your business directly on your website. On the menu, navigate to the Appointments tab, then click on Enable Appointments. In the next screen, click on the Edit button, then choose your available hours to take appointments. Finally, you can also add and manage your store's discounts. Navigate to the Discounts tab, then click Add Discounts. In the next screen, fill in the details of your discount, including your discount percentage, name and code, and the dates, times, and conditions that they'll be active. Once you're done, click Save. Your discounts will automatically go live once your website is published. Step 7. Customize your website. Once you set up your site's e-commerce, you're ready to start customizing its overall design and add your branding inside the editor. On your dashboard, click on Back to Editor to return to the drag-and-drop editor. To add a page, click on the Pages icon on the left-hand menu bar to open the Pages and Navigation menu. Then, click on the Add Page button and choose a kind of page you want to add and its layout. It'll automatically appear in the menu. In the pop-up box, type in your new page's name. To rename a page, click on the gear icon next to the page you want to rename, then choose Rename and type in your preferred page name. To reorder pages, click on the icon with 6 dots next to the page, then drag the pages around in your preferred order. They'll also be reordered on your main navigation bar. To set up your page's SEO, click on the gear icon, then choose SEO settings. In the following menu, type in your search-optimized page title and description, and add in your page's primary keywords. To delete a page, click on the same gear icon, then choose Delete in the following menu. Beyond adding pages, you can also add and edit the individual sections that make up each page. To add a new section, click on the Add Section button above or below the existing section you want to add a new one to, then choose the type of section you want to add and its layout. It'll automatically appear on the page. To edit your section's background, click on the section you want to edit, then click on Change Background. In the next menu, choose a background color for your section or upload an image background. To reorder sections, click on the up and down arrows on the upper right corner of the section. To delete a section, click on the trash icon on its upper right corner. Next, you can also add individual elements to your website, like buttons, image galleries, contact forms, and more. To add an element, click on the plus icon on the left-hand menu bar, then choose and click on the element you want to add, then drag it over where you want it to appear on the screen. To edit your element, click on it, then click on its Edit button. In the next menu, you can edit its content, link, style, and animation. You'll also need to edit the text on your website. Click on the text element you want to edit, then type in your preferred text. You can also edit its font, size, style, and color. To edit images, click on the image element, then click on the Change Image button. In the following menu, click on Replace Image and upload your own image. Finally, to delete elements, click on the element, then click on the trash icon on its upper right corner. Next, you'll also need to customize the colors, fonts, and buttons of your site to match your business's branding. This is important as having consistent branding helps build your brand presence in the long run. To customize your colors, click on the Paint Palette icon on the menu bar to open the Website Styles menu. Then, click on the colors to customize them. To customize your fonts, navigate to the Text tab in the same menu, then choose and click on a font combination. You can also choose individual fonts for your headings and paragraphs. Finally, to customize your buttons, navigate to the Buttons tab, then choose the shape you want for your primary and secondary buttons. In the Animations tab, you can also add animations to your website. You'll also need to customize the header and footer of your site and add important details like your logo, social icons, and more. To add your logo to your header, click on your website's header, then click Change Logo. Then click Replace Image and upload your logo. You can also edit your header's layout and design by clicking on the paintbrush icon and editing your colors and fonts. On your footer, you can also add your social icons and other details. Just click and drag on the social icons element from the menu, then add and customize it with your info. You can also change its background color and image by clicking on the Change Background button. Finally, while this is optional, you can also add a blog to your website to help boost your SEO and for other content marketing strategies. On the left-hand menu, click on the pencil icon, then click Start a Blog. This will automatically prompt Hostinger to create a new blog page on your website. On the new blog page, click on Edit Post to create a new blog post. Then add in your post's title, image, and text. You can also add videos, image galleries, and other elements through the left-hand menu bar. Your post will automatically go live as soon as you publish your website. Step 8. Set up your SEO. Finally, one last important thing you need to set up is your site's SEO. This helps your website rank on search engines and be discovered by your target audience. Click on the graph icon on the menu to open the Analytics menu. Then answer the prompts to set up your site's SEO, including your business name and description, then choose your primary keywords. You can also update it later on in the same tab. Step 9. Review and publish your website. Once you set up your SEO, you're nearly ready to let your website go live. But before you leave the editor, do one final full check of your entire website to make sure that everything is functional and well designed. Here are a few important things to take note of before publishing your site. Your site navigation. Double check that all of your pages are in the proper order and that all the links on your header lead to the correct pages. Your branding. Make sure that your site has your logo and that your colors, fonts, and content are all consistent with your overall branding. App integrations. You can also add app integrations to maximize your site's functionality. You can add integrations inside the Settings tab in the menu bar. A cookie banner. While these aren't mandatory for US websites, they're increasingly becoming a standard. You can also add a cookie banner in the Settings tab. A favicon. You can also add a favicon to your website to help it be more recognizable on internet browsers. These are also found in the Settings tab. Finally, be sure that your website is fully functional and well designed on mobile devices. To view your website on a mobile screen, click on the mobile icon at the top of the editor. Once you've given your site a final run-through, it's officially ready to be published live. Click on the Go Live button on the upper right corner and your site will automatically go public. Once your site is live, be sure to check on it consistently. Check your analytics, site health, and SEO, then make changes as necessary. And that sums up how to build your website on Hostinger. With Hostinger, you can be sure that your website has secure web hosting, a custom domain, and many other helpful features. If you want to learn more about your other site builder options, check out our guide on the 10 best website builders for small businesses. We'll add a link in the description below. We hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.